Hello and welcome to Funtastic Finn. What are we up to today, Finn?
We're opening 50 Hot Wheel cars.
Ooh.
Now we're gonna open them. Look at all those cars. How does it fit inside?
Ooh, shall we open them one by one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get opening.
Now we're gonna randomly pick a car. We got Quad Rod.
Quad Rod, let's see. Quad Rod. Okay, open it.
Whoa, this one looks so cool.
Ooh, look at that. Quad Rod. Okay, let's put him here.
Number 2 random pick. Ooh. We got Zombot, I think.
Zombot. Okay,
Yeah.
open it.
This one's long.
Let's put it beside Quad Rod. There you go.
What's
So the
that?
next one. It looks like a person.
Yeah.
Number
Third
3.
random pick. Ooh. Rockin' Santa sled.
Ooh, that looks
Santa.
actually cool.
You got Santa sled.
What does it say there?
Yeah. Whoa, it's so cool.
What does it look like?
Santa's
Put it on
even
here.
inside it.
Is Santa inside it? Oh yeah.
Santa here.
Number
4. Whoa! 89 Porsche 944 Turbo.
Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Okay.
Open. Yeah. Whoa, super cool.
Ah, that's nice. Put it
Bronze top, kind of bronze wheels here.
bronze rims. Ah, awesome. Number
5. I forgot. I got 2 out. Let's say this one number 2. We got the Nash.
you see?
Cool.
Okay, the Nash.
Yeah. Whoa, super cool.
Oh, it's got like the engine outside.
Teal.
Cool. I like that. The
Kind
teal
of-
rims. Now pick up the second one that you just picked. That's number
6. Ooh, cool. 68 Mustang.
Ooh, potentially
Cool.
very cool.
That's very
Oh,
big.
yes.
That's very big.
It kind of looks like the Nash with the engine outside, right?
Yeah. Very cool. Whoa. Let's see if it can fit on my Hot Wheels track. Yep, it can. No, it can't. It can't, but it's still super cool. Yeah, it is.
See, it kind of looks like the Nash, but it's got a bigger engine.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's like the
Number.
7th pack!
That's your favorite one. Favorite number, favorite thing? Let's see.
Cool. Corvette CZ706.
Okay.
Whoa, this looks super cool.
Look at that. Car number 7, a Corvette. Nice.
Corvette something.
Car number
8. I think this one will be good. So cool. Look at this. High roller. It's like one of the ones that we got from Santa, remember?
maybe.
The one that you liked.
Oh yeah, the blue one. translucent green hot rod.
Yeah.
Number
9. This one, I think. Cool. Corvette Grand Sports Roadster.
Let's have a look. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster.
Cool.
Oh, look at that. That looks like a proper nice roadster car. I like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Number
10. 40 more to go.
Okay, let's
After
see.
This one. So many more. Cool. Road Bandit.
A road bandit. Oh, it looks like a jeepney, right?
Yeah.
From the Philippines, we have jeepneys.
Cool.
Hey, let's have a look at that. Oh yeah, that does look like a jeepney, but it's a more fancy jeepney.
Yeah, it's colorful.
Because it's got like this skylight, sky
It's like
roof. What
colorful.
do they call that? Whatever they call it. Yeah. Okay, fifth so far. Which one's your favorite out of these 10?
I think this one.
Oh, you
And
like
then
that
this
Corvette
one,
Roadster?
And this one, and then this one, and then this one. Yeah. Those are
Okay.
my 4 favorites.
Number.
11.
Let's go for it.
Cool. Tuden Twin Mill.
Let's see. Tuned twin mill. Okay.
Cool.
Oh, that's tiny compared to the others, isn't it? Look at that.
Yeah.
So tiny. It's almost as big, small as this
Yeah.
hot rod.
Mm.
No, quad rod. But it's like smaller than a normal car.
But it's
Cool.
very big.
Number
12.
12. Okay, what's number 12?
Cool. 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug.
Let me see. 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. Oh, that's cool. That might be my favorite so far. It looks pretty cool.
Cool.
Ah, that's a cutie pie one. Look at that. It's even smaller than a twin mill. Aww. That's cute. I think that's my favorite baby bug.
It's funny though.
Now it's time for lucky number
13.
13.
No, I think this one would be good. Cool. HW Formula Solar. Okay,
Oh,
this
let's
is
see.
definitely one of my favorite ones.
Formula Solar. Ooh.
This is definitely one of my favorite ones. Cool. The tires are different too. And it's like jungle.
Ah, yeah. That's an unusual one. An eco car. That looks cool.
We can even open it.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, let's
How do
get.
you open it?
So hold this, push this to the bottom, and you can open it like that.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Next, number
14! We got Cloak and Dagger.
Cloak and Dagger.
That's a
Ooh,
girly
Cloak and
one.
Dagger. I like that. That's my favorite color.
Because it's a girly one. Hey, I already need to open it. Whoa!
Oh, look at that. That is a nice one. That's a pretty cool one as well, right?
Yeah.
I think you'd like it if it wasn't for the color. And we're at number
15! Cool, Land Rover Defender 90. Super cool.
Wow, that's nice.
My dad would like this. Cool.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Go to jungles and deserts and rivers and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. Number
16.
yes.
Cool. Tankana.
Tanknator.
Tanknator. That's a tank. Cool. Ninja skills to open. I have a long pen, apple pen, tank.
Oh, it looks like a tank. It does look like a tank.
It is a
Tanknator.
tank.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's your first tank.
Yeah,
Hot Wheel. What do you want to show him, Finn?
I can even move.
Oh, that's pretty cool. This is your first tank, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Number 17. Cool. 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500.
Ooh, a 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT5. Oh, Daddy would love a car like that.
Oh, straight for it.
Oh, look at
Okay,
that.
that's my favorite now.
Is that your favorite now?
Yes.
It looks super awesome, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, I love Mustangs.
Number?
18! Ooh. Party wagon.
A party wagon? What is the party wagon? Oh, look
From-
at that.
Where is it from?
It's like from the
Turtles.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Cool.
What does it look like? Oh, it does kind of look like a turtle. Look, the
Yeah.
shell on top. And then it does say something in the front. What does it say? Turtles. Ah, that's cool. You like that one?
Yeah.
Number?
19. Yeah. Cool. Dodge van.
Dodge what?
Dodge van.
It's a Dodge van. Okay.
2 out of 5. What does that mean?
Oh, look at that Dodge
Look
van.
on the top.
Oh, you can see from the top the inside. Oh, what is inside? That looks like it's...
The engine.
Engine. That's pretty cool. Can you open the door?
Let's see.
Nah. It's still pretty cool. Number?
20. We have 30 more
Hit
to
the
go.
20 milestone. Okay, let's see.
Heavy hitcher. It's my first.
Heavy hitcher. Oh, it's a tow truck.
Yeah, it's my first tow truck. Lots of garbage when we start opening it. Cool. It can even move. Can it tow?
Try.
Yeah, it can.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's a useful car to have.
Yeah, when I do my races.
Okay, so we're now at number 20. What is your favorite from this row?
I think this one, definitely.
Right.
And then this one,
Okay.
and then tow truck, and then this one, yeah.
That's pretty cool. We're at number
21.
21. Go for it.
Ooh, cool. ATL Camino. Super
Ooh,
cool.
look at
shape
that.
and stuff.
ATL Camino. Ooh. Open it.
Cool.
Ah.
Spit out.
Oh, look at that. That's such a colorful car. So colorful. And it's so 80s, the design of
I
it.
think we can put. No, we can't.
You thought you could put that
Yeah.
one. Maybe you could put the bug. Okay.
Yeah.
Try the bug.
Let's try the
Does
bug.
it fit?
No, the bug's too big.
Still too big? Oh, it sort of.
Sort of, yeah. Number 22. I think this is good.
Ooh.
We got Barbie Dream Camper.
Let's see. I bet your cousin would love that.
Oh no.
Open it. That's Mommy's third favorite one now.
see it is.
Ah, what a cool color that
Nice.
is. Yes, nice. It
But
does
there's
look
nothing
like.
inside.
I know. What is the other side of it? Ah, look at that. You can see inside the camper. Pretty cool.
Very girly.
Show 'em what you can do.
We can even open.
Oh, look at that inside the camper. That's pretty cool. Do you want to go around in a camper?
Yeah, but not a pink one.
Number.
23, I think.
Yep. Let's go.
Cool. 19 Mercedes-Benz class. I like this one.
19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Ooh.
Straight for it. Bong.
Ah, that's a good one. That is a nice one. Next.
24. Good number 24 there. Let's see what we get. Nissan 30S, twin turbo.
Oh, that looks like a fast one. Yeah.
Yep. That is my first ever car, Nissan car. Woo.
Look at that. That is one handsome car. That is really cool. Hmm?
Yeah.
Wouldn't you want to drive that? That should be really fast in real life. And we're halfway there at number.
25.
Let's see.
Yeah. 52 Chevy.
Chevy. You got a Chevy this time.
It looks like, what's his name again in Lightning McQueen?
Tow Mater.
Yeah,
Mater.
later. Bong, bong, bong.
Oh, look at that. Okay. It's pretty cool. Look at that old fashioned sort of writing on it, and it has a, it looks like it's
Yes.
old.
Yes.
Yeah.
It looks like it's old, but I don't think it is.
Number.
26. Cool. T-Rex. T-Rex-tover.
T-Rex Troyer. Rex Troyer. Oh,
Oh.
is that meant to be a dinosaur?
Yeah,
car?
it is. But is it? It kind of sounds like destroyer.
I think that's why they call it T-Rex Troyer.
Okay, this is my favorite out of the row so far.
Oh, really?
Super
You like
cool.
it better than the Chevy and the Nissan and
Yeah.
the Mercedes? It does look like a very cool dino car. Number?
26.
No, that was 26.
Oh,
What number?
27. Namaru. Cool combi.
Oh.
Hello Kitty. Titi.
Ah, Tita Yang, that is super cute. I think that's my fourth favorite car now. Are you gonna give that to Tita Yang?
No, I still want to keep it. I like cars.
Why?
I just like cars.
But she likes that one. Come on. Let's see what it looks like here. Ah, look at that. What a cute little Hello
Yeah.
Kitty combi van. Ah, look at that. Volkswagen Hello Kitty combi van. Oh. Number?
28. Aha. 2020 Jaguar F-Type. My first ever Jaguar.
Let's have a look.
Boom. I like the front.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool front. Well, you can't really see it from this front. Okay. Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Look at the back. The
That's
back's
my
pretty cool.
that's my second favorite from this one.
Number?
29. We're near the end now. 69 Camaro. Camaro.
Oh, that should be a good one.
Boom.
Oh,
I have
look
like-
at that. That is a lovely car.
I have
That is a
three-
really muscly,
I have-
lovely car.
I have three of
Beautiful.
these colors.
You do, yeah. I think that is my favorite guy car of the road.
Oh.
Could be a girl car too.
Number 30. Yay. You got Are We There Yet?
Are we there yet? Let's have a look.
Cool.
Okay.
What is it? It's like a camper van. It's a camper van.
Is it a camper van?
Yeah.
Are we there yet? Yeah, it's one of those you stick it in the back of your car, you can travel around,
Yeah.
right? Which one would you travel in? This one or the Barbie one? Which kind?
Definitely this one.
Which is your favorite of this road?
So this one, then this one, then this one.
Oh, you don't like this one?
And
I
then
thought that
this
was-
one. And then this one.
Okay.
Number 31. Now. 86 Monte Carlo SS.
Ooh, that should be a cool one.
That's my favorite one
Oh, wow.
on this road because it's the only one. It doesn't make sense. 31.
Ah, that is a beautiful car.
Yeah.
I think it's from the 80s, yeah. It's pretty cool. In the way that it's shaped and stuff. Okay.
Oh, that's number 32. No. Let's see what's this one. Cool. Buns of Steel. It's like a McDonald's one.
Oh, yeah. Buns of steel. Yummy. That's making me hungry. It's lunchtime, you know. This is taking forever. So many cars.
Yeah. Look straight down.
Look at that. Makes me want to eat it. It even has French
Nom,
fries
nom,
in
nom.
the driver's
Yeah.
cabin.
Nom,
See
nom,
what the other
nom.
side looks like.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Okay. That's pretty cool.
Number 33. We got HW Warp Speeder.
Warp
It can glow in the dark.
Oh, look at that. That's
See,
pretty
look at
cool.
this.
It says Glow Racers. Oh,
It's super cool.
we can try that tonight.
Yeah. We might connect it to this video right now. Cool. That's my favorite so far.
Glow. Wow.
This is actually my favorite so far on every one.
Really?
It's even glowing here.
Yeah. Cool. Number?
34. From TRG.
Triumph TR6. 6 or G?
6, I think, yeah. Boom!
Oh, look at that Triumph. Okay, that's the first Triumph we have as well. Pretty cool.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like the stripes on that one.
looks nice.
Number?
35. Is this a gun? Poison arrow.
Let me see.
I think this is a gun.
Poison Arrow. Ooh,
Oh,
that's
yes.
pretty
This is
weird.
not meant to, this is not a car or a vehicle or something. Why is it here? Why is it a gun?
Is it a gun?
Yeah,
Does
it's a
it-
gun.
it
No,
doesn't
it's an
have
airplane.
wheels?
It's an airplane.
Oh, cool. So it is kind of a vehicle anyway. And your first aeroplane in this pack. Awesome.
No, and number 36. Ooh. We got a Uno car.
An Uno car.
32.
32 Ford. That is
Yeah, but
an
it
Uno
says Uno, yeah.
car. You're right. I thought you meant like Uno like one, but it's Uno the card game Uno.
Yeah. Bah! Boom! Wild.
Ooh, that's a weird one. It's like a hot rod that has some Uno like graphics on it.
Yeah,
Oh, which way is the front?
this one.
Which way is the front? This part?
And just to tell you, make sure if you like football cards, you can go on to our channel and watch it because that's the most famous one And make sure to like and subscribe. I'll tell you at the end. So.
Number?
37.
You getting tired yet?
Kind of. Cool. Mattel Dreammobile. Oh, that's okay.
Oh, Dreammobile.
That's my second favorite. That's definitely nice. Cool. Super.
Look at that.
It looks like you have no tires, but it does. It looks
I
like
wonder
one
if
of
it's going to
those-
be fast when you use
Number
it.
38. Fig rig. That's a funny name, fig rig.
Fig rig. I wonder why it's called a fig rig.
I still like this one. It's like a video game, the number 2. Boom shakalaka.
Okay, look at that. I
Fig
like the color on
rig.
this one.
Yeah.
Orange and purple, like a metallic kind of purple. Fig rig. It's a pretty cool one.
Yeah.
It's got a huge spoiler in the back. I bet that's gonna go really fast. Number
39. Boom. Retroactive. Cool.
retroactive.
Boom.
Oh,
Cool.
look at this.
Okay, that's
Retroactive. It looks almost like a submarine, right?
yeah.
Look at that. Except that it doesn't have like a bubble top here for the person. That's pretty cool. Number
40. 10 more.
40.
10 more to go.
After this one, yep.
Rigger motor.
Rigger motor.
I like that
Oh,
one.
that looks so scary.
I love that one. Okay, that's one of my favorites. Boom.
Let's have a closer look at this Rigger motor car. Oh, look at that. It's got white wheels. Quite unusual. You don't have a lot of white wheels.
I'm gonna show you some of
And
the
it
Hot
looks
Wheels
like a hot
toys.
rod.
I'm gonna show you
It's got
some of
these
the
nice
hot,
pipes. What's here on the top?
some different.
Some designs.
Yeah.
In this row, which one's your favorite?
This,
Mm-hmm.
then this,
Mm-hmm.
then this.
Cool. Okay. And we're down to the last 10. Number?
41.
Okay, last 10.
96 Porsche Carrera.
Ooh.
I like these type of Porsche.
Yes. That would be a cool one to own in real life. Come on.
Yeah. Ding-or-ma-ding. Boom. Super
Oh, look at that. That's a nice car. Nice color. Nice curves. Nice shape of a car. Really
I
just
like
a
it.
beautiful car.
Yeah.
9 left. Number?
42. Bah. The Helinator.
Pollinator.
I think it said on the back something it can do. Cool.
Oh, look at that. Wait, let's show them first what it is. Oh, look at that. And it can pick up other cars. That's why it's called the Pollinator.
Let's see if it can actually pick up this car. Yes, it
I think
can.
it can fit almost any one of the cars as long as it's not too long.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Nice.
That is a cool one to have. You have a tow truck and the Pollinator.
Okay.
Last 8. Number?
43. Yeah. Ooh. 2019 Audi R8 Spider. My first Audi car.
Ooh, yeah.
Hot Wheels are a good brand. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more of these Hot Wheels.
Look at that. Okay. It's an Audi.
Yeah, we're not famous.
That's a nice one. Wouldn't you love to drive that on the streets?
Yeah.
44.
44, yeah. The Dodge Power Wagon.
Let me see.
I like it.
Ooh.
But it won't fit on the track, probably. Why am I putting it here?
Is that our first pickup truck? Oh no, it's our second one. We had a Chevy here. Yep, we had a Chevy. Okay, but this is kind of like a newer one, right? Because the other one was 50s,
Yeah.
I think this one is 80s. And it's got like these fog lights at the top. Pretty cool. Big wheels. Really, really awesome. Number?
45. 5 more to go.
After this.
Aeropod. Cool. Jurassic World.
Ooh, Aeropod from... Is it Jurassic World? It just says Dino.
Jurassic Park. Boom.
Okay, wow, look at that.
Can you do anything?
It looks a bit futuristic,
Yeah.
right? Have a look at the design.
Yeah.
If Finn's not covering it with his thumb. Yep. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, that would be cool to ride in, wouldn't you think?
Yeah.
Number?
46. 4 more
down to
go.
the last 5.
No, last 4.
Last 5, including this one. Are you sad? We're almost
Yeah.
ending.
Carbonator. Carbonator.
Carbonator.
Carbonator. Cool. This one's. But can this fit the? I don't think it can. No, it can't.
Let's have a look at what it looks like first. Okay, here we go.
Can you do anything?
Oh, it looks like a soda pop bottle. Look at
yeah.
it. That's why it's called the Carbonator. Aha. That's pretty funny. Look at it. It looks like a soda pop bottle. And the back of it looks like a bottle opener.
Yeah. 4 left. Number 47, I think. Volvo 850 Estate. This is probably
Estate. Oh, yeah.
my favorite car so far because it's a
Like in real
Volvo.
life.
Yeah. Okay. I'm laughing because my mom says.
Oh, look at this Volvo.
Yeah.
It's just your basic Volvo Estate, right?
Yeah,
Look
it's
at that.
not
It's got
old.
like a... What do you call that, Finn? Sky roof?
Yeah, I think it is.
That would be a nice mom car to have in real life.
Yeah.
We're down to the last 3. Number 48.
We got Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. Cool.
Transit Connect. Okay, and then it's got someone on the side.
A man.
Oh, weird.
Cool.
Look at that. What does it have? Like, it has got a picture of like this guy, and it says Pest Patrol Company. And I guess it's like a pest control van. Pretty cool.
Oh,
Last 2, number 49.
we got Quick Bite.
Quick Bite. Quick Bite. Okay.
Why don't we- Cool.
Let's have a look at this car. It almost looks like a SWAT team van if you didn't know any better, but it says 2021 celebrate fireworks, midnight, happy, cheery, new year, etc., etc. So it looks like a party van, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. Quick Bite. And finally, we're down to the last car, number
50!
Yay, we reached the end finally. Oh, it was very long.
It's probably like 1 hour. Okay, Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile.
Let me see. It says Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile. Oh, you saved the best for last. That is the Batman Batmobile. Pretty cool.
I like this a lot. Oh, it fell out.
Look at this. Our first Batmobile.
And
It
it's
looks so cool.
our
I
first-
wonder what kind of cool things it can do,
And
hey?
it's our first maroon car.
It's our first maroon car as well, but look at
See.
that. That is pretty cool. So Finn, which is your favorite car of all of these on the
So-
last row?
First one is this one.
Oh,
and
the
then
Batman car,
This one.
the Dino
And
car,
then this one.
and then the Porsche. Wow, that's awesome. So
Yeah.
thank you for helping us open 50 cars. Look at them all here, all lined up. Ooh. So Finn, which one is your favorite car of all time here? Take them out and put your top 3 right here. That's your top 3. 1, 2, and 3. Those are your 3 favorite cars.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Did you enjoy doing this?
Yeah. Hope you had fun watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a fantastic time. Bye-bye.